in my jeans. Real gun idiot, member say you shot yourself.
Clash, you know see all of my songs in my sing back, still a bleed Billy.
Puma, you don't know, they don't represent for FollowIG TV Entertainment. You know, you say get the latest and the greatest updates them. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay updated, because FollowIG TV are going to great things, though. One time, girl.
Told me say ugly man, your bitch is a whore, battery them running at your girl.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, it's FollowIG again, man. Back at it again with the war, man. I mean, I say this is season 2, I mean, I say, yo, Malie done fling out one more fireball off a Chronic Law, you see me? And that one, your title, Still a Bleed. Remember, Chronic Law song when sing the name Still a Bleed? Well, this a song your title, you see me? I mean, I say, yo, I be a thing artist. Remember, yesterday, I tell you, say, I be a thing artist. Malie done a go on with. Right now, this a one more extend. Me I tell you, intense. Cause be a thing artist, I say, now. But woman and looks. But in a war, we don't use looks still, as it. A art a war, a defend and attack. You see me? We not lose no looks that they can't make we feel no way, man. A low and hard ball we are fling, you see me? And me I say, yo, me a give Malie done him props panda one, cause him a go hard. Him a go hard panda one, you see, pre? No joke about it, viewers and subscribers. Remember, say you have to give them crown, The first one when I review yesterday, and I never hear him go on so hard tonight. Right now, this is a song when title Still a Bleed. Yeah, man, a beating the artist a spit out, man. You know, so we not go talk where artists really are set to a artist, but we just have to know, say, fireball a fling now, firefight fire now. We feel a warrior. We feel, you see them in the feel when me do the review there to about them. To, you see me? But me say right now, me feel the stigma, the venom out. Malie done a fling heat. So right now, I just will see how it end up, cause the artists them a fling fire and they know they each other and they know they each other background. So that make the war even more sweeter. You see, pre. I mean, I say viewers and subscribers, remember if you go over the artists them, man. And go drop on the comments them and make them know say FollowIG TV Entertainment send over there, See, pre, yes man, me need to talk long, me make you listen what Malie say.
You stand up and watch your Dan broke at your hand. How you rich yet still man.
Hold on them, Malie. Yo, Chronic Law, which one you done them broke at your hand? Because me been a hear that incident then and me don't know how true it is, But right now me I tell you say, yo, Malie done a go on it. Be a things in other one, your viewers and subscribers. The boss have flow and the boss has spit. Yeah, man. I be a thing, your artists as a viewers and subscribers. Believe no, man. I mean, I say, yo, viewers and subscribers. Which one of them you think take season 1? Right now, me I do review for season 2, So I want to go back to the review when I drop yesterday and hear what I say. My sound kind of rusty yesterday still. But today is a better day, you see, pre. I mean, I say, yo, that song your title Still a Bleed, you see, pre. And me I say, yo, I be a thing your artists are go on it. You don't know, say, produced by Shotdown Music, Automatic Records, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Din, Entan. You see me, big up your man, them take part in it, said we are only people take part in it. Production, you see me? A whole lot of people want the warrior, so you don't know a thing going on, man. So I go talk about the next artist and hear where next artist are go on it because I be a thing, Malie done go on it in another song, so I go listen to Chronic Law now and hear what Chronic Law say. You know a thing go, hundreds.
Remember Rivali, you go and get big box. Boost me, boss said looking.
Malie, when you go Rivali and get big box, why first me I hear that? Me I tell you say, yo, the warrior sweet, no bumbo clat. And me I say Chronic Law. I be a thing you are going with too, All they are going like say, yeah, fling, bumbo clat, war stone, I be a gimmicks you are going with too, artist. Yeah, man, what you mean the dog everybody go get big box, I mean, I say viewers and subscribers, that song I name Dopey Link Up. You see me come like saying, want to send the dog a link up in Dopey friend them way. Pass on or sitting, you see me? And me I say, oh, Chronic, I be a thing you go on with, man. Me I say, FollowIG TV Entertainment, they are just entertain the people, them see me just like how me are being entertained. You see me? And me I say, yo, viewers and subscribers, what you think about season 2? Because the artists them, it'll get more intense where you hear more information, power, go on fully. You see me? Yeah, man, the dog I say, yo, Otto suck pussy, so that's why Dan have a broke in hand. And that them me I get out tight, cause the dog say, remember say, Dan broke Otto hand, you know. And the dog I say, remember say, you can't come with me with the freak thing, Otto and pussy and Ray, and know say, we know Chronicle go to work, for you do them thing there, you get a beaten. So it look like that go on. Me no know, me just a say, so you can say allegedly. You see me? So you don't know Soji TV entertainment there, you know. We just be entertained, you know. And me say that war, you want gimmicks war, you know. Cause the man they know they want it, and they know everything what they go on with. So they just spread it and a leak what they know fi leak and just a chat. You see me? But we there so we not too pre nothing. We just know say we are just there be entertained and listen to artists them a go on show chill off what they want it and be a thing. So viewers and subscriber, me just want to go over Chronicle. You see me? Go type 1 law. Go over Malie. Go type 6. You see me? Yeah man, I just say there right now. 1 law and 6 war this, you know, man. You know the thing going on. And when we say 6, a Malie than a war. We hear Chronicle just defend himself. You see me? But a whole heap of shades we been here, you know, but we not hear no name a call. You see me? This a one that we hear name a call. So right now, I'm going to listen piece more Chronicle say, and then me wrap up the review. Down on Jets.
Remember foreign you go meet Squash man. One be a puppet, one be a
Wait there. Malie, your artist that say if I saw you clash, you know, say I sing them, I sing back. I really foreign go meet Squash man. Me think of Jamaica, you know Squash man and thing. But Chronicle have leverage over you enough time and big time. You see me? Which one you want on a Dan or a puppet? That the artist ask you, yo, Chronicle, you know if you choose your words them, you know, man. You dry him out hard. Yeah, man, right now, me see in drop a song, you see the same way, so me I go check it out, you know. I mean, I say a season 2 this, you know, so me I jump in a season 3 later or tomorrow, as me say yesterday. So I just a style of me and the same way. We not have to drop it in them same time, when time then drop. You see me? Yeah, man. Free reaction different. So all when time nothing now go on, we just know so we start putting back the work. You see me? And build up back the catalog. So I want to know guys to go over artists them Vivo and make your artists them know say a Soji TV entertainment sending over there. You see pre? Yeah man. I mean I say oh this produced by Alexandra Jones. You see me? For Collect the Bread Entertainment. You see me? So you know the thing, go collect the bread man. Yeah man, all when the artists in a war, the artists a collect the bread, cause you don't know say you know money have to turn and that a in thing and that's why them do this thing. You see me? I mean I say viewers and subscriber, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop your honest comment in the comment section and make the artists them know say I mean so no over there. On Jeds, madam mean you know man.